Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create beats using Bandlab application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Bandlab Studio application, and then we're going to click on this plus button to start creating new project and select Open Studio. And since we want to create beats, we're going to select the drum machine. Okay, and here I'm going to choose empty so I can customize the beat as creative as I can. And here you can make beats, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you. Okay, okay. I'm going to add this one as well. Okay guys, I'm just going to create random beats because this is just for demonstration. And let's take a look at the result. Okay, not bad. And I'm going to go back to my studio, and I'm going to play it again. Okay, and you can make the beats as creative as you can guys, according to your needs. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create beats using Bandlab Studio application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.